Hello YouTube, this is Grow It Build It, and today I'm going to be germinating some Foxglove Beardtongue seeds. Foxglove Beardtongue is a native perennial. Here's a picture of it. It's kind of got a long throat on it, so only real tenacious bees can pollinate it, and hummingbirds like it quite a bit. It blooms, it's kind of what I'd call the second wave of blooming. In that your first wave is like your columbine, your Virginia bluebells, those kinds of flowers. This is immediately after that, so it's more of June and maybe into July, at least for where I live, which is the mid-Atlantic. Anyways, though, it's a native perennial. It doesn't get too big, only 2-3 feet typically that I've seen, and very small seeds, so we don't need to cover them up with much dirt at all. And I'll try to get a close-up of some of the seeds for you. Very tiny little hard things. I think this might be one that requires light to germinate, although I have to be honest with you, I can't remember offhand. So seeing as I don't need that many plants, and when you buy a packet of seeds it usually comes with hundreds and hundreds, especially when they're tiny, I'll give this a drink, a dusting of dirt, and then I'll put a few more seeds on top. It's always better to put a few more seeds on than you need, just in case. And if you have more than one germinate and you want more than 6 plants, or if I want more than 6 plants, I can always transplant the seedlings when they're very small into another pot. So we'll give just a little sprinkling of dirt on this, nothing much. Gently press it down. And then we'll just shake out a few more seeds here. For those, these tiny seeds, if your fingers are a little damp, you can just pick them up there, and you just kind of roll your fingers together, and you can see, I don't know if the camera can show it, but you can see I'm just sprinkling out a few seeds on top of the soil. And that's it. So I'll keep you updated with how the germination goes and how the growing season goes. Thank you very much.